Welcome to Learning Arabic with Mr. Ahmed channel. Today we are talking about introduction to the Arabic alphabet. So let's get started. The Arabic language, with its rich history and cultural significance, is spoken by hundreds of millions of people around the world. At the heart of understanding and mastering the Arabic language is its beautiful and intricate alphabet. For non-native speakers, learning the Arabic alphabet is the essential first step in their journey toward fluency. This presentation delves into the fundamentals of the Arabic alphabet, exploring its structure, pronunciation, writing system, and tips for beginners. The structure of the Arabic alphabet. The Arabic alphabet is made up of 28 letters and is written from right to left. Unlike the Latin alphabet, Arabic letters have different forms depending on their position in the word, whether they appear at the beginning, middle, or end. This dynamic nature adds complexity but also beauty to the script. Arabic is an abjad, meaning it primarily represents consonants, with vowels often left out or indicated using diacritics, small symbols placed above or below letters. The alphabet includes both simple and emphatic consonants, which are pronounced with the tongue touching different parts of the mouth. Overview of the Arabic letters. Below is a comprehensive look at the 28 letters of the Arabic alphabet, along with their romanized forms and pronunciations. Alif, pronounced like the A in cat. This is often a placeholder for a vowel sound and doesn't connect to subsequent letters. Ba, a B sound or a ba sound similar to the English B in bat. Ta, a T sound or a ta sound as in top. Tha, similar to the tha in think. Jim, sounds like the J in jungle, although in some dialects it can resemble the G in gem. Ha, a unique sound produced from the back of the throat, similar to a soft exhalation. Kha, similar to the kha in the German Bach or the Scottish Loch. Dal, a D sound as in dog. Val, similar to the in this. Ra, a rolled R, reminiscent of the Spanish or Italian R. Zay, a Z sound as in zebra. Sin, an S sound like in sun. Sheen, a she sound as in shine. Sad, an emphatic S with a deeper, more guttural sound. Dad, an emphatic D, unique to Arabic and challenging to replicate exactly in other languages. Ba, an emphatic T, pronounced deeper than the regular T. Va, an emphatic Z, similar to the in the, but with more resonance. Ain, a deep voiced sound produced from the throat, difficult for non-native speakers to master. Ghin, similar to the French R, or the sound in dargel. Fa, an F sound as in fun. Qaf, a deep K sound. Qaf, a deep K sound made from the back of the throat. Kaf, a regular K sound as in kite. Lam, an L sound like in lamp. Mim, an M sound as in moon. Noon, an N sound as in night. Ha, a soft H or a soft ha sound like in hat. Wow, can be a wa sound as in water or represent the vowel U. Ya, a ye sound is as in yes or the vowel E. Vowel markings and diacritics. Arabic diacritics, shown as tashkeel, are essential for indicating short vowel sounds, pronunciation, and grammatical cases. The main vowel diacritics are fatha, represents the short vowel a as in cat. Dhamma represents the short vowel u as in put. Kasra represents the short vowel e as in sit. Ba, for example, ba, bu, bi. This letter in Arabic, letter B in Arabic, or ba, ba, bu, bi. These diacritics are written above or below consonants and are used in educational texts, religious scripts, and children's books to aid pronunciation. Over time, as students become more familiar with the language, they learn to read without the need for these diacritics. Writing Arabic letters. Writing Arabic can be a rewarding experience due to its flowing cursive nature. Here are some key points about writing in Arabic. Cursive script. Arabic is written in a cursive style, meaning most of the letters within a word are connected. However, some letters like alif, dal, ra don't connect to the letters that follow. Forms of letters. Depending on their position, initial, medial, or final, Arabic letters take different shapes. This aspect can be daunting at first, but becomes easier with practice. Right to left. Unlike English and many other languages, Arabic is written and read from right to left. This can take some getting used to for learners who are accustomed to left to right scripts. Pronunciation tips for beginners. Learning to pronounce Arabic letters exactly is crucial for developing good speaking and listening skills. Here are a few pronunciation tips for beginners. Practice with native speakers. Listening to and practicing with native Arabic speakers can greatly improve pronunciation. Use audio resources. There are many language apps and online resources that offer pronunciation guides and audio examples. Focus on challenging sounds. Some letters, such as ain and ghain, may be difficult for beginners. Spend extra time practicing these unique sounds. Repeat and imitate. Repetition and imitation of native pronunciation help solidify the correct articulation. Common challenges for beginners. When first learning the Arabic alphabet, many beginners encounter common hurdles. Distinguishing between similar letters. Some letters look or sound similar, such as ba and ta, or sin and shin. Practicing writing and speaking these letters in context can help clarify the differences. Understanding emphatic sounds. The presence of emphatic letters such as sad and ta can be difficult to grasp for learners whose native language doesn't have similar sounds. Reading without diacritics. Initially, texts with diacritics aid in pronunciation. However, most Arabic writing, such as newspapers and books, omits these marks. Transitioning to reading without diacritics is an important step in fluency. The elegance and importance of the Arabic script. The Arabic script is not only functional, but also an art form. Arabic calligraphy in particular has been an important part of Islamic art and culture for centuries. Calligraphy styles such as Naskh, Diwani, and Thuluth showcase the decorative and flexible nature of the script. Learning to write Arabic in a visually appealing way can be a fulfilling addition to language learning. Tips for beginners to master the Arabic alphabet. Start slow and steady. Begin by learning and practicing a few letters at a time, ensuring you can write, pronounce, and recognize them in different positions. Utilize practice sheets. Printable writing practice sheets can help with developing neat handwriting and memorizing letter shapes. Listen and repeat. Engage with audio resources that demonstrate letter pronunciations and repeat when you hear to improve speaking skills. Practice writing sentences. Once you are comfortable with individual letters, move on to writing simple words and sentences to reinforce your learning. Join language communities. Joining an online or in-person Arabic learning community can provide support, encouragement, and additional practice opportunities. Conclusion: the Arabic alphabet is a fascinating and integral part of one of the world's oldest and most influential languages. While learning it represents challenges, the rewards are immense, opening doors to understanding Arabic culture, literature, and communication. By starting with the basics, practicing regularly, and embracing the beauty of the script, learners can build a strong foundation for mastering modern standard Arabic. Discussions. If you have any questions or comments, please write your questions or your comments in the comment section below. By the way, if you want to get this presentation, please write the presentation in the comment section below and I will send the link to you. Also, if you need any help in learning Arabic or if you are interested in learning Arabic, just write free call in the comment section below and I will send the link to you to discuss how I can help you face to face. Thank you for watching. If you find this useful and helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And see you soon.